In the competitive world of home improvement, contractors often face the high costs of acquiring leads that rarely result in actual projects. Bottom Dollar Decks transforms this frustrating dynamic by connecting you directly with homeowners ready to start their projects. We take care of all the legwork. Our skilled measurement technicians inspect, measure, and digitally catalog each project. These detailed drafts are then posted online, ready for you to bid on. Each job is turnkey, with every measurement taken, critical information from homeowners collected, and thorough inspections conducted, eliminating the need for marketing, sales, and drafting costs. Our transparent service fee structure makes budgeting easy and predictable. Homeowners sign an earnest intent agreement, ensuring each job is a guaranteed sale if your bid is accepted. No more buying leads that don't have a return. Bid on jobs that are ready to build today. Visit bottomdollardecks.com to get started and watch your business grow with guaranteed projects and streamlined operations.